thoughts then get formed into thoughts, and thoughts leads you to desire. Like Adi Shiva said, let I be many. And the Srishti of this universe started. In the same way, my bright period also galvanized the latent. My 9 feet of intestines were renewed. My right hand was totally blown.
And the token of love is trophy. The token of love is also including a gift hamper from Blissfully Yours.
आपने किस लड़की को ज़्यादा देर देखे तो लोगों को लगता है ताड़ रहा है, तो मैं घबरा गया। तो मुझे ये भी बताया गया था कि शायद यहाँ पे लाइव चल रहा है वीडियो, तो मैंने कहा थोड़ा नज़रों को कंट्रोल में रखते हैं, इसलिए मैं लगातार इनको देख रहा था। यस, बहुत कमाल के इंसान है। और कल हम एक कैंडल मार्च भी निकाल रहे हैं मर्दों के लिए, क्योंकि अगर आप कभी भी फ्ली मार्केट में जाएंगे, कहीं भी जाएंगे, आप देखेंगे कम वक्त मर्दों के लिए कोई दुकान नहीं होती है। कॉस्मेटिक्स लेने जाएंगे तो वही कोल्ड क्रीम ले लो, तुम क्या करोगे। हमारे इंडिया में कहावत है, शेरों के मुंह किसने धोए है ना, इसलिए मैं शेर बन के आया हूँ, धो के आया हूँ उसको। बट कल एक बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण दिन है, कल है मेल ग्रूमिंग डे। किसी को पता था मेल ग्रूमिंग डे होता है? कितने लोगों को पता था? तो मतलब हम ग्रूम भी तो नहीं करते, अपने आपको पता कैसे लगेगा उसको, है ना? So
are now making a re-entry on the land with a big round of applause. Oh my God, that just took my heart away. All right, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause.
the T-Safer expert and LED auditor, safety expert in Gujarat Metro projects, and he's been driving for over 2 decades. Are you one of those Harley Davidson riders? Alright, Royal Enfield, that's equally good. 3.5 lakh kilometers across 13 countries and 400 plus cities in India, and can speak over 10 domestic and international languages. Sir, मैं भाग जाती हूँ, मेरे को 2 भी बड़ी मुश्किल से आती है. Welcome and over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, and thank you, my precious life, and thank you, Anuradha Das, and thank you, Mr. Ranjit Das. हालांकि हम सबको सबसे पहले तो इंडिपेंडेंस की बधाई देना चाहूँगा आप सभी को, क्योंकि ये जो हमारा दिन होता है और इस दिन पे हम लोग बहुत बड़ी हम लोग राइड करते थे, लेकिन आज मैं ऑलरेडी ऑफिशियल फंसा हुआ था और पहले से 15 दिन पहले से मुझे बोला गया था नहीं आपको आना है, और मैं कंटिन्यू 3 फ्लाइट चेंज करनी पड़ी मुझे, नागालैंड टू गुवाहाटी, गुवाहाटी टू अगेन मुंबई टू देन अगेन दिल्ली. आज पूरे दिन मेरा ऑफिशियल टूर था बिकॉज
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in putting your hands together for our special guest, Dr. Vandana Singh. She is Director of Global Corporate Key Account Management for IC and Far East Saudi Cargo, originating from a military background that shows her in her confidence. Vandana revealed that her entry into the cargo industry was more of a mutual choice. Fascinated by aircraft and initially aspiring to be a fighter pilot, she found her way into cargo driven by the intrigue of moving pallets and the unspoken passenger, the cargo itself. Wow, that is called breaking the glass ceiling. That's respect and honor for you. Lovely to have you here. Please allow us to give you a small token of our appreciation from Dr. Anuradha Das. Please tell us a little something that we do not know about you.
Am I strength 5? Yeah. Okay. So well, here I am, the daughter of a soldier and now mother of a soldier. So my daughter was here last year in your beautiful event with another very important theme of domestic violence. She is now training at the Officers Training Academy, Chennai, as a Judge Advocate General. So here I am, from being a fighter pilot, daughter of, let's say, no, I need help and I need to get, okay, just the way General in the beginning mentioned that, I think this is the way it is. You have to discuss it, come forward, and this very, very important theme, which is plaguing our country, which has been in a denial mode for a very, very long time against many aspects. They say, I'll just take 2 minutes more, ma'am. They say, men don't cry. Really? Why shouldn't men cry? Why is there gender disparity? Why? Aren't they human beings? Don't you think why is it that they say no, you're a man, you won't cry? No, it's not like that. We talk about equality, we talk about gender equality, then we should have everybody coming forward if there's a problem. And yes, good things make you happy. There are moments in your life when you feel but never differentiate sadness or feeling low from depression. Because depression is something which is very, very, very real. One recognizes it, and every other day. Yesterday I was on a flight, ma'am, and coming back I was reading about this cricketer
shake hands with them.
of innumerable national and international awards. Ms. Rachika Agarwal, आपके roster को देख के मैं थक गई. I don't know how you manage that. Really, you're doing a great job. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
Vande Mataram, very good evening and my Ram Ram to everybody. So, thank you for this beautiful music feel से होते हैं. उन लोगों को जिस तरीके की फेम, जिस तरीके का नाम बनाना चाहते हैं अपने लिए, अगर वो नहीं मिल पाता, अचीव करना ही करना है. हर किसी को शाहरुख खान बनना है, हर किसी को ऐश्वर्या राय बनना है, वो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. अपने लिए मुझे अगर कुछ करना है तो मुझे रचिका अग्रवाल बनना है, मुझे कुछ और नहीं बनना है. अगर मैं वो बन के मैं आज़ादी सबका. I wish all the participants and everybody here all the very best. Thank you for having me over and thank you once again and a very very happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
organizers, especially Anu. When she met me 2 years before, we say we evolve every single day. But you were already evolved and you had undergone so much. But she did not prefer to sit down and serve. She chose to fight. She chose to be all. The name, it lights from within. And then look at the lady, golden. We all are the kings and queens of our life. Mr. Sher has gone. He just said we need to leave the lines of communication open by virtue of me being connected with the international organization where we deal with number of people. This gathering says it all. Learn to be busy. There will be no depression. Of course, when you go to the higher degrees of depression, you will need to seek medical intervention. But for the lighter degrees, you just need to feel you are the best, you are the queen of your life, and do not eye someone else's slave. To not blow. So that is it. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. लहरों से डरकर का पार नहीं होती. Thank you so much.
And global ones. I hope you all follow that. Alright, we have a very interesting panel of speakers coming up next. May I please invite on stage Mr. Ashok Obra, Raj Nehru, Dr. Urvashi Mittal again, Mr. Ashok Bhan, and
not one, two. Why it happens, and how can we stop it? So you have very few minutes. You have to wrap up very fast, and we will start with Amit. Amit ji, who's head of the Airbnb for India. Am I right? Am I right? Head of the Airbnb for India. Wow, can we clap for him? Also, if I may say, you're a cancer survivor. So tell us your journey in very few words. And if somebody has depression, how we can identify and how can we come out of it?
Yeah, I'm sitting right next to a doctor, so I said she's the most qualified person to answer that probably. But what I would say is that, at least in my limited experience, what I've seen is generally sort of negative life events can kind of put you in a position where you can get into a phase where you might not feel like coming out of it. I personally went through stage 4 leukemia, where the prognosis was that I potentially would survive for 2 days to a couple of months to now. It's been about 18 years that I've been in remission.
Praise God!
So, I would say that there was a phase where even I did not believe I'll come out of it, but the thing that has kind of truly resonated with me or has helped me in my journey, what I can share is, and I think some of us have already talked about it, is that, keep the lines of communication open. For example, in my journey, I met a lot of cancer survivors, and after seeing the survivors, after talking to them, I also started believing that if they could do it, I could do it as well. So today, the ladies who walked the ramp, a huge round of applause to them, because they showed us that it is possible. And I've never done a ramp walk, but I know it's freaking difficult, and they did it with so much confidence. And that's what, like, if you see others, talk to them, build that communication channel, and of course, speak to the qualified people, right? So that definitely helps.
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you.
And in a last minute notice you came, so we are very honored. Can we clap for him?
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Dr. Nutan, you have done so much of study on so many things. Yeah? So could you tell us how we identify and how can we come out of it?
Very good evening, and thank you so much, Anuradha, for giving me this opportunity to share my views with everyone so that I can share my knowledge. I have done studies, so as I have been hearing all the speakers, so everyone knows much, but I would share you some specific things, that is the changes in the brain chemicals and the changes in the chemistry of the brain, what actually happens and how you will know that you are suffering. So if it's been like, if you were enjoying some activity earlier and now you are not enjoying it, you are not liking that. Suppose you enjoy doing painting, you enjoy walking ramp, but now you are thinking that no, and it's been like for more than 2 weeks. So you have to focus on the duration, that is 2 weeks, and the points which I'm going to tell you. Like the loss of appetite, if you're feeling that, or if you're overeating. It could be either ways. It could be loss of appetite or overeating, and it could be hypersomnia or insomnia. Means either you are able to sleep or you are not able to sleep, and you are sleeping 2 hours more in the morning, or you are waking up early morning, going for morning walks for more than 2 hours. That could be a sign. If you are not able to sleep for many days, so that kind of. Now these things can be like because of some disease in your life, some kind of uneasiness, some kind of your shift in job, your life has changed, some drastic event in your life, or it could be because of you have lost your loved one. The reason could be anything, but any changes in your behavior, you must notice that. Any kind of changes in your thought pattern, you must notice that. We all should be vigilant enough, we all are educated, so we should be vigilant enough, and we should keep a check on our thoughts, because your thoughts will then make your habits, and then that becomes your behavior.
Right.
Yeah, and according to your thoughts only your chemical changes happens in your brain, and then as we have discussed in many of the sessions earlier, that this is how we develop many of the diseases also.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you so much. Could we clap for her? She is actually our upcoming CMO of Gurgaon. We are praying. So, Mr. Khan, right? So you deal with a lot of issues being a lawyer in Supreme Court, and I'm sure that you handle a lot of pressure and challenges. Am I right?
Yeah.
A lot of tough situations. So what would you say from your experience? You are a very learned man.
From my experience, I would say one thing. First of all, I would compliment you and the team for Stress Buster session which you organized. I was traveling and I came. Mr. Kachur insisted me to come in this event. I came, and the stress of my profession for the last 1 week, it was busted the moment I entered this.
Wow, can we clap? Wonderful.
And it was busted by the movement of pretty women, elder, young, and then the children also, and they were so happily enjoying their walk on the ramp.
Yes.
So it gave us some vibes which automatically, in my metabolism and in my experience, it changed, and it took me out of the stress which I had undertaken for last week professionally, by travel, physical and all that. Having said that, I am a part of a community which is in perpetual depression, called the Kashmiri displaced population, which has been displaced by the act of terror sponsored by Pakistan and inflicted by Kashmiri militants. And it has been long, 35 years long, living in exile, living in perpetual trauma, agony and depression. And the only stress buster which the whole of the community collectively does is to engage in an activity where we can connect to our cultural roots and to the spiritual heritage of our valley. And that keeps us going for the last 35 years. It is fraught with disintegration of this unique community, which has a very long history and heritage, very enriching heritage. But alas, that it is getting faded away by not any support from the successive governments on repatriation of this population, stressed and depressed population, back to its roots. Having said that, my example of fighting this depression and trauma is that when I came from High Court of Jammu and Kashmir to Supreme Court, I was faced with a colossal challenge of the eminence and intellectual grandeur of the seniors like Ashok Sen, Ram Jethmalani, Fali Nariman, and Nani Palkiwala. They were the galaxy in the legal profession, and their appearances in the Supreme Court was so impressive that I was looking at them that can I someday also come along the lines and argue in front of the Supreme Court the way they are arguing. I made my determination and said to myself that if you have to avenge the collective insult inflicted on me by the migration and to my community, I have to excel, I have to work hard, I have to give a digression to my personality and look forward and contribute to the jurisprudence of rule of law through the instrument of Supreme Court. And today, I can very confidently say that the names I took, almost I argued matters against them. And proudly I should say that I won against them my cases, and I felt so elated and my entire stress got busted. I can say one thing, that Anuradha and my friend Kacharuji has led me to this organization, and I did volunteer myself to come here to see for myself that how enriching the experience is, and I found it so enormously enriching that mixing fashion with the unmasking of the depression is a novel idea. They have been doing it for last so many years. And today's success of this event on the eve of Independence Day is really a compliment to them, and I felicitate them for this beautiful evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind words. And we are really honored to have you. And I feel that we are free nation, but actually we are not free from many things. So that is the idea. It was birthed when the idea came. So Rakesh, you talked a lot about mind, and would you just like tell us how we can balance our mind to come out of depression?
Good evening, everyone. Depression or suicidal tendency generates when there is uncertainty, not only uncertainty, but when there is no hope. That's the reason when people land up with depression or beyond that. Now, please allow me to answer this slightly differently. When we talk about human mind, it's about thought. So between our conscious mind and subconscious mind, there is always a thought process that is generated. So what that thought process means is, if we remind our senses just few seconds, I'm talking to you guys, and even I'm speaking to you, I'm not 100% with you. Even whoever is listening, they may not be 100% with me. So what does that mean? That means there's a thought, there's a crystal ball, it's a virtual crystal ball that goes all over places, right? Human mind, human beings, all human beings vibrate. We all vibrate as a tuning fork. What we can't see, how that tuning fork vibrates. We can't see that vibration. But basically, how humans operate is, it starts with a thought process. Thought process translates into a state of mind. State of mind translates into a state of being. State of being translates into action. Action translates, if there is a pattern in that action, it translates into behavior, and if there is a behavior into those, it translates into a character. So it starts with an electrical pulse. Thought is an electrical pulse and translates into a magnetic field, which is called aura. Now, what has this to do with depression? Most of us, every human being who lives in human values, every human life who lives in human values aspires for two things. One is peace of mind, and the other is money. Unfortunately or sadly, this is the least taught in any curriculum of the world. Right? I belong to a culture which has origins for thousands of years. Our history is predated. Right? So when I used to talk to my elders, they only gave me what you call as, like, you give a Ashirwad in Hindi. They always used to say, become fearless. Become fearless and become Nirbhay and Nirog. What does Nirbhay mean? Means fearless. Nirog means be disease free. So when one can become Nirbhay, one can become Nirbhay only when he is in present moment. So present moment means you are aware about our thought process. Right? You are not in future, you are not in present. So that moment is golden. So anyone who actually is in a state of depression or beyond that, it's a fear. It's a fear, either he's fear about the past or he's fear about the future. And what makes it more alarming is because then he doesn't have hope. So my request or my advice or my recommendation or my suggestion to anyone who is going through those kind of situations, have to look at people like we had S.K. Razdan Sahab today, what they have sacrificed for this nation. Look at the soldiers who are at the forefront. Every day, every moment, their life is uncertain. I have a friend of mine, he doesn't want to come on the stage, but his life, every 5 minutes or every hour is uncertain. And it's uncertainty towards his life. So if you have uncertainty towards your life, I think nobody should take to the next step while they go into any kind of a suicidal tendency or any kind of a depression state. Life is precious, we should value that.
Thank you so much. And I want to appreciate you publicly that he was leaving for Canada. He's a Canadian citizen and he's rescheduled his stay just to be part of this event. Thank you so much for that. Dr. Saika, my good friend. What would you, she's a doctor and she has many clinics. She's an amazingly busy person and she's also in politics. So keeping all that aside, what would you say about depression?
So I know everybody faces depression at some point in time. I know I have faced multiple failures and I have been able to overcome it with the help of family, with the help of counseling, with the help of self-motivation. But for me as a doctor, it's always important to prevent it than to treat it. So I think the first thing that all of us can do is when you wake up, even before you get out of bed, is to count your blessings. If you have a roof over your head, you have food on your table, you have a vehicle, you are blessed more than at least 90% of this country. So there are things that you don't realize, that only 6% of Indians have cars. All of us think कि यार रोड में ट्रैफिक बहुत है, but सिर्फ 6% लोगों के पास है. You don't even realize that when you are considering कि when am I going to upgrade my Creta to a Ferrari or a Mercedes or an Audi, 94% of Indians don't even have a four-wheeler. So when you start counting your blessings, you will realize that God has blessed you so much. And there are 4 things to lead an active and happy life. One, there are the 4 hormones that you need. One is dopamine that you get from achieving small things. So the same thing that you get from your Facebook and Insta likes, you get small goals, achieve them, you feel good. Second thing is to exercise daily. That releases a lot of hormones that are positive. Third is to do acts of kindness that releases serotonin. So don't do charity once in a year. Do small acts of kindness that helps you a lot. And fourth is oxytocin that you get from affection, maybe physical affection, just saying hello to the guards, saying good morning to anybody that you meet in your lift. So these are small things that can do that make you a happier person, a more happy individual, more contributing to society. And lastly, because I'm here today, it is the 78th Independence Day, but a week back, we lost a young lady, a doctor, Dr. Momita. And I want all of you to remember, a country where our doctors are not safe, where our daughters are not safe, has a lot further to go. We need to raise our sons better before we can achieve safety for everybody. And only then we will be truly independent. Thank you.
Very true. Thank you so much. Can we give a clap? Can I ask my team to get the mementos for them before they leave the stage? Hurry up, please. So we would request our guests to come and give them the mementos. Can we call out some guests? Give them the awards. Yes, thank you so much. And can I request all of you to stand and the chairs to be removed? Can I request Rochika ji please come, and can I request Dinesh Mohan ji to come? Please come and give them the mementos. I'll pass it on. And can I request Ma'am Ashma to come? Can I ask Ravindra Pandita ji to come and please take good pictures? Yes.
Can we have a group picture with all the speakers on the stage, please? Another. Let's have all the speakers together, please.
तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ, क्योंकि आजकल के इस माहौल में ये बीमारी छोटे से बड़ों तक बीच में इस तरह से सुरसा के मुंह की तरह फैलती जा रही है और हम अपने जीवन का सही अंदाज जीना भूल गए हैं। पहले भी चुनौतियां आती थी, पहले भी परेशानियां होती थी, पहले भी होती थी, लेकिन हम इन चीज़ों से आसानी से निकल जाते थे क्योंकि हम अपने ऊपर वर्क करते थे। लेकिन आजकल डिप्रेशन जो छोटे से छोटा हर बच्चे से बड़े तक जो फैल रहा है, उसमें हम सबको मिलकर एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। योगदान यही है कि सबसे पहले खुद परिवार से होता है। स्पोर्ट करी थी तो आपको फिर से आज़ादी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to quickly get through the next agendas of our evening. We have some lovely women walking around on stage, Indira Haksa and Mona Chopra. Ladies and gentlemen, with a big round of applause, 60 plus the
You know, India on stage, I'm very excited to have you here. Can you tell me ये किसका idea था ramp walk का?
I was so scared. You're walking in front of so many people. मुझे लगा
Not like a professional. And what about you? Who gave you this idea? आप किसी तरह स्टेज पे पहुंच गए. Now I'll have to give you money to leave the stage, right? You're clearly enjoying yourself so much. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. But you look 45. You look 45, you look 46. Sorry, politically incorrect. You look 45 and you also look 45. And thank you. Continue to be as vibrant and as smiling. And continue to walk the ramp. God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. Let the walk push you. I have a great future ahead. Thank you very much. Bharat participants. On stage, Mr. Mukesh Gambhir and Mr. Mohit Sharma, can we have you on stage, please?
Mr. Mukesh Gambhir is a highly accomplished individual with a diverse career. After retirement, he became the director of Radio Manav Rachna 107, where he continues to contribute his talents. And Mr. Mohit Sharma, one of the most prominent figures in the civil defense sector, with his experience with disaster management, it shows you a beacon of strength and resilience. Thank you for being here with us, ladies and gentlemen, today. An honor and a delight to have you here. Thank you for being here, and we missed you at the lamp lighting.
So Mukesh ji is one of the person who really supports me. He supports me, and then he gives me stage platform so that I can voice my opinion, especially for depression and suicide prevention and all that. So I'm very grateful to him. He is my cheerleader, and for a person like him, cheering me in my journey is very important to me. Thank you so much. Would you like to say something?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Anuradha has been constantly in touch with me on my radio booths, and constantly we have been touching these subjects pertaining to unveiling or unmasking this depression. You can touch our YouTube and listen those talks and so many such things. I have only a few tips to talk to. Within a minute, I'll reminding the Major General what he said कि बुलंदियों से गिरने में दर्द होता है, बर्फीली हवाओं का हर झोंका सर्द होता है, ठोकर खा के तो गिर ही जाते हैं सभी, जो उठ खड़ा हो बस वही मर्द होता है, बस वही मर्द होता है. And the concluding lines which he also taught, and I say in my own way, कि छोड़ बाहर को मन को देख, और भीतर है जो धन को देख. अरे क्यों भटके हैं मंदिर मस्जिद, अपने भीतर फन को देख, अपने भीतर फन को देख. Thank you very much.
What makes you smile, baby? Yeah, you. Was your dad Bache? You're first, I guess, huh? Yes, everyone. So what makes you smile? Yeah, please.
I have another mic, let me give it. So, thank you for your help.
किस चीज को देख के बताओ? Great.
So Tisha, do you for smile only in summer because mangoes तो summer में आती है ना? Yes. Yearly once you smile करते हो.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations to everyone. For me, you all are winners. Okay, so my question is for N4. Am I right? Okay, so for you, what is
are the two essential tools that bring people together and make the world a better place.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Excuse me.
Okay, so my question is, why are you walking in the show today?
The reason I'm walking in the show today is that one member of my family has gone through depression, and it was a very hard time at that time. And I wanted to show the world that there would be always someone to share your thoughts and share your feelings to, because when you're in depression, you feel locked up in and you feel like that no, you cannot share your thoughts with anybody else, but there's always someone, your loved ones, or even your friend. It could be anybody. Just
Very well said. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. What was your tag, Peter? No, her tag.
my tag was F30.
Awesome, superb. Thank you.
What's your tag number? 70.
So, Miksha, your favorite movie and why? Did you learn something from it? What was the recent movies?
My favorite movie. My favorite movie is Bhola. And उसमें मतलब क्या होता है जो अजय देवगन होता है तो उसमें मतलब वो उसकी बेटी से
What did you
मतलब-
learn? What did you learn? Not the story. What did you learn?
Yeah, tell me. मेरे को ये सीख मिली कि मतलब हमें अपने फैमिली से प्यार करना चाहिए और कभी उन्हें अकेला नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए और उनके लिए हर चीज़ करनी चाहिए जो पॉसिबल हो.
Hello. You're already wearing a crown, huh? Looks like you have declared yourself a winner.
Yes.
That's good. So, suppose you have one superpower, right? You can imagine you have one superpower. So, what would it be and why? Given this freedom that you can have any one superpower, like Superman, or maybe Spider-Man, or any other man, right? Which one would you choose? Why?
Because I love Superman.
Okay.